Okay, so here's the iMac. This is the front of the box. On the side you have the Apple logo. You can see that. The back is the picture of the screen. And on the side you have a picture of what it comes with, mainly. So, on the top, the specs. Put those in the description. So now, I'm gonna cut this open. Okay. Up first we have designed by Apple in California. Can you see that? Okay, so pull this open. We have iLife installation DVD disc. Everything Mac. And then underneath that is everything else. We're gonna put that over here. Then up here we have wireless Apple keyboard. Underneath that is the Magic Mouse. Then we have fingertips, which just has the moves or whatever you want to call it for the Magic Mouse. It's in the back. And then we have cleaning cloth. So I'm gonna put that on. So then over here is the iMac. We got a couple of these magical styrofoam squares. There we go. There's the iMac. Right there. We have some more squares. The power cord. And the ever so wonderful silica gel. I'm just gonna throw that. Gonna take this off. Isn't it magical? Okay. I don't want to take the plastic off right now, so we're just gonna plug it in. Take this plastic off, throw it around, and find the hole for this. Got it plugged in. Now, plug it into the surge protector and power out that thing. Okay. Got our ever so magical mouse and keyboard. Take that out. Hey, today I'm gonna unbox the iMac that I just got for Christmas, so fuck. Okay, so now we're gonna boot it up. Here's the boot up. this plastic off of it. It loads. Oh, there's the Apple logo. Probably don't want to see me in front of this TV or computer screen while you're watching this. So I'm going to do this discreetly. All the sticky paper. Was there sticky there? Okay, so it's asking me to turn the mouse, so turned it on. Okay. Asking me to select the language. How about English? That would be great, wouldn't it? Now I can watch. Turn the light off so you can see better. Wow, that was exciting. Okay, no keyboard. Okay. Wow. So, select your country.
Man.
And the keyboard is in US English. If you're already on Mac, do not translate. Do not transform. Okay, continue. And choose my wireless network. Configuring your computer. Enter your Apple ID. Where will you primarily use this computer? Can you just home? What best describes you and what you do? Jesus Christ. What? Student. I'm a student. Who isn't a student? Beautiful goldfish. Who doesn't want to be a goldfish? I don't want to be a goldfish. Okay. Thank you. Okay. So there's the boot up, and there's the desktop screen, whatever. So thanks for watching, and subscribe and stuff, you know.